A very good evening to all of you. I am Dr. Kanupriya, Assistant Professor at the Department of English, Manavrashna International Institute of Research and Studies, and I welcome you all to the last day of the 7-day International Faculty Development Program on creating and stimulating research-based teaching in higher education, jointly organized by Manavrashna International Institute of Research and Studies and Cape Comorin Trust. The speakers for today are Dr. Mona Taman, Dr. Ford Track, and Dr. Sanjeev Kumar Brakta. I welcome you all. And for the first speaker for the day is Dr. Mona Taman. Dr. Mona Taman is the Vice Chairman of the Future Leader International Academy, Professor of Education Technology and E-Learning, General Coordinator of the Shikha Fadia Al Sabah Innovation Competition in Egypt, Member of the National Council of Women, Head of the International Education Sector of the African Asian Union, a consultant in education technology and development at GuidePoint, an American global consultancy. She is member of the Arab Society for Material Science at the Institute of Postgraduate Studies and Research, Alexandria University. Author of the book, Philosophy of Modern Education. Founder of the Future Schools for Egyptian Students in Kuwait. Head of the Performance Division at the Ministry of Education in the state of Kuwait, certified international practitioner and lecturer in neuro-linguistics programming. She has more than 19 years of teaching experience in education technology and training. She holds the first place in the Middle East in programming educational games. She has won the Creativity Prize for Sheikh Sabah Al Hamad. She has won the Innovation Award for Shikha Fadia Al Sabah. She has received the e-learning award. She holds the Order of Changemakers at the level of the Arab world. She has won the Best Educational Innovation Award in the Mevin Global Award. She has won the Best Outstanding International Digital Educator Award. She has won the Best Teacher Global Award. She has won the International Women Achievers Award. And today she will be talking about the uses of AI in education. There is a lot which ma'am has to share with us. I'm pretty sure that this session is going to be very interactive. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you. Hello, everybody. From Egypt,
yes,
I'm so happy to be with you today. I hope my session will be useful for all attendees. Can I share my presentation? Is my screen visible? My presentation now visible?
Not yet. Yeah. It is buffering. It will be visible now.
That's right. Hello, everybody. I'm so happy to be with you today. Thank you for everyone. Thank you for all organizers for this conference. I will present for you AI in education. First, we know what is previous AI. Previous AR or modern in education dependent on AR and XR, mixed reality. This is the modern in education. I will show you a video about XR is a mixed reality. Mixed reality combined or mixed between AR and VR, but we can use the glasses or X glasses like Oculus or like Microsoft Office glasses to see the product or the objects with XR. This is XR for students. Students can interact with and in learning with XR, can see with glass or metaverse glasses or XR glasses, and also see with application or mobile application, can see the knowledge and interact with knowledge and see as a quiz or interactive quiz. Students can see also videos about this knowledge, like video dependent in this knowledge. I would show that is the program or this platform. We can create interactive quiz. This is a very useful platform for creating the XR implementation in learning. This is platform known as XR or EON XR platform. You can create your lesson with XR tools or the XR technique. Another example for using in modern
hello? Sorry to interrupt you, ma'am. Your slide is not visible. We can't see the presentation, ma'am.
Not visible? Okay. I will share again. Now it is visible.
Yes,
now
ma'am,
is it
it is.
visible? Yes.
Yes, ma'am, it is.
Okay. Now it is visible, this video?
Yes, ma'am.
Every day, hundreds of law of attraction is absolute bullshit. It doesn't work. And you're thinking, what? Are you telling me that?
The video, you can see now the video?
Every day.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I will show for you the video with XR or
versetzt werden, Probleme zu lösen.
how we can use glasses or XR glasses
Mit Mikrofon.
to
Mit so einer Brille verbindet sich der Mann vor Ort mit
control.
einem Spezialisten, zum Beispiel in Aachen.
Können Sie sehen, was ich sehe?
Er kann, ganz egal, ob er direkt um die Ecke oder am anderen Ende der Welt sitzt.
Ja, bleib ruhig drin, das ist okay.
Ja, genau. Und wenn du dir hier mal hinten mal, siehst du, wo ich hinzeige, kannst du da mal was näher rangehen, dann kann ich sehen, ob der Nullpunkt richtig sitzt. Das Schöne ist, mit den Smart Glasses ist es so, dass man eben die Realität direkt sieht durch sein Blickfeld und die Smart Glasses eine zusätzliche Schicht einbaut, in der man gewisse Informationen direkt einblenden kann.
Da ist die Brille nur Mittel zum Zweck. Die Aachener nutzen alle auf dem Markt verfügbare Modelle. Ihr Produkt ist nicht die Brille, sondern die Software dahinter. Erst die ermöglicht eine effektive Reparatur. So könnten 20 minimiert.
Beispiel bei der Firma ABB, die von uns Kunde der ersten Stunde.
Daran arbeiteten die Gründer noch für die RWTH und das Fraunhofer Institut für Produktionstechnologie. Hier entstand auch die Idee und letztlich eine eigene Firma.
Mit 15 Mitarbeitern sind wir natürlich schon relativ groß, wird auch immer mehr.
So we see now the glasses or metaverse glasses. We can programming it with AI programs. What is now? This is the uses of AI in education to programming or to do the programming for XR glasses on the XR applications. Now we will know or we define what is the artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is a very important topic in this day, and also in any department or any part of our life, especially in education. Define artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is the ability of machines to simulate certain functions of human intelligence, such as presentation, learning, thinking, problem solving, linguistic interaction, and even the production of creative work. This is the meaning of ER, or this is the definition of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence in education industry. We can use artificial intelligence or AI applications in education, like virtual facilitators, smart content, automated data accumulation, chat, adaptive learning, protectoring, chatbot, personal learning, and so on, and the another and more implementation for AI in education. Artificial intelligence in education and machine learning are one of the main drivers of growth and innovation in a number of fields, especially education. Since the 17th of the last century, researchers began to use artificial intelligence as an alternative to individual education. And then the interest is in using it support education increased further. According to a study conducted by Forbes magazine, artificial intelligence will enable more than 47% of education process management tool. So it's a big percent in uses artificial by 2024. The future in education is and the research is using artificial intelligence. So specialty after the majority of countries had to rely on distance learning due to the coronavirus pandemic, which began to separate in the late in 2019. So when we start to use e-learning and pandemic or corona due to coronavirus, the researcher or the IT researcher begin to use this or to research or to apply AI in education and apply in AI in education distance learning especially. I will show for you this is video for how we can use AI in
Thousands of service technicians, quality managers, and know-how.
This video will show for you the artificial intelligence in education.
Thanks for viewing this presentation. Please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. This presents learning, reasoning, and self-correction. Researchers predict that artificial intelligence will be incorporated into our education system at all levels. In the future, it is possible that the AI will be the teaching assistant of the day. The AI teaching assistants of the future will work 24 hours each day. One professor who used the AI teaching assistants to respond to students stated that many of them did not know that they were communicating with the AI system. The professor also was able to engage in other tasks other than responding to students' questions. In the future, an AI system could be used for grading within a degree program. This will provide the instructor with the time needed to support students and their learning. However, with AI comes the possibility of the teacher's replacement. Replacement of teachers is indeed thought-provoking, but worthy of serious consideration based on the possibilities of AI systems. Currently, many universities have limited physical space with increased class sizes. This has impacted on the students' learning experience. AI systems could offer personalized learning to individuals, which could make learning more applicable to the student's degree program. Research has also indicated that AI systems can be used to help with students' retention by using data science to ensure a smooth transition into various education systems. Future AI systems will be able to make predictions. These predictions would allow institutions to make forecasts for curriculum change, staffing needs, various technological solutions to enhance teaching and learning. This insight could save institutions millions of dollars. The recent development of AI has shown the promise for improving accessibility. For example, algorithms can be used to create speech-to-text. Individuals with speech impairment can now have their own voices. The implementation of AI systems could also increase the security of data within learning institutions. AI systems can be used to enhance cybersecurity. For example, AI systems can predict or identify cyber attacks and defend from these attacks. Hence, institutions can have greater confidence regarding the safety of their data. Furthermore, institutions in the United States continue to be plagued by mass shootings. In the future, there will be the potential for identifying some of these threats. Current AI systems have advanced facial recognition software and weapon detection capacity. There is also the emergence of security robots that can be operated remotely. Some of these robots have the capacity to stream 360 videos and deploy various physical deterrent mechanisms, thus making institute.
So we see now in this video that AI can replacement teacher. AI can use security or safe security or for student data and student marker and so on. We can use this enhance education and enhance the interactive and accessibility of learning with AI. I will show for you some examples or some topics or some application for using AI, because we must start now to apply AI in education and research. There is a lot of applications and programs we can use this for education or to apply AI in education. The first platform we can use is to apply AI in education or learning needs, Tuber. Tuber is a platform for creating AR tools in education and can help students and teachers and research to using AI in education. First, you can create account and log in, and you can use codes for creating your learners and complete learning app for schools and exam. Have many uses. You can use this application. Also, you can create a exam, and also you can end-to-end school operating system with Tube, and also you can master class to crack G and complete program to crack NET and school test for attitude reasoning and so on. This is a very useful platform for all levels of education, from middle and primary and secondary, and also in university, and also use a researcher to be useful platform in implement or applying AI in education. We can see there is 17 subjects in this platform and 58 exams and 2020 board in this platform. I recommend you to use this platform. We can see this video, Tuber.
देखो टॉपर निकला, कोचिंग में डाला, कोचिंग से निकाला, सोचिंग में डाला। टॉपर की लाइव क्लासेस, अडैप्टिव प्रैक्टिस और आस्क डाउट से स्टूडेंट्स की सोचिंग बढ़ी, तभी तो वो टॉपर बने।
Topper, better learning, better results.
This is platform that we can use it for applying AI in education. The next one, or the next platform, or the next application, we can use it to apply AI in education. Also, Quizlet. Quizlet is also a very useful platform for creating the quiz with security, with high security. You listen me? You hear me? Are you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. The next platform, Quizlet or Quizlet. Quizlet learn to own it. Quizlet your and AI learning assistant and our ever defect flashcard. You can get site of science backed study tools at your fingertip. We can see this platform is a very explanation you can trust, and the flashcard on repeat study modes, and also whether you plan or can find your study jam, and so on. Million of study sets in this platform. We can get started and create account in this platform, and you go on to apply or to create your education tools with AI. Every platform needs a workshop more time. Another platform, next platform, Smoothen. Smoothen is a digital platform that relies on artificial intelligence and natural language processing and deep learning techniques to provide a set of language-related applications that help in everyday purpose, such as paragraphing or phrasing text, correcting grammatical errors in any language, converting text to speech also, or vice versa, among others. It aims to assist teachers, students, and writers in their daily language work. Among the most important features of the platform are the following: the ability to translate into more than 100 different languages. It's a very amazing platform with this ability of simulating translation to YouTube videos and download translation results as a giant file and CSV file. Next, providing a tool for cutting and citing articles, book, web page, etc. in different language and in multiple ways. The second point for this Smoothen enhance students' learning through the Smoothen Oracle tools that generates answer to student questions using artificial intelligence, which help them understand the different topics and absorb information faster. And not that enough, so also providing tools for summarizing different text from articles, books, etc., and for generating different type of textual content such as advertisement or articles, and other for paragraphing text, checking grammar, and extracting text from image. This is amazing platform, also very useful for language, for study languages and different languages in this platform with AI. Another or the next application for AI is Kedaptive. Kedaptive is application is cloud computing platform for analyzing learner data and highlighting basic pattern and relationship in the data. It aims to evaluate learner performance in any digital education product and produce a comparison picture for their competency, progress, and preferences and passion using advanced machine learning algorithms. So all teachers and all students need this application or they need this platform to enhance to know the students' performance and student progress and so on. The platform analyzes data collected from a variety of sources such as learning activity, assignments, parent or teacher input, and even from different educational products. The most important feature of the platform are measuring the learner's skills in each activity and evaluating his progress. It is a very important point for any teachers and for any education system. Another point, identify learner behavior and provide insights into trends, changes in behavior, and comparison with learner. The next point or the next benefit for this platform or next feature anticipates the learner's performance in terms of educational outcomes or the difficulties he may face, for examples. Also, we all needed this feature, providing specialized recommendation based on the learner's competence about the content of the education path. I see that it's important for any students and important for education organization and for schools, for university, and for also for teachers and parents. Kidaptive or a platform using AI in education. Next application, Century Intelligent Learning is also a platform, or Century app is a mobile application. This mobile application is a teaching and learning platform that uses artificial intelligence, neurosciences, and learning science to identify student knowledge gap and provide recommendation for appropriate educational content. I see this important also for any teachers and for students and parents. Therefore, the platform assigns each student an educational path that is constantly updated according to students' learning strengths and weaknesses. The platform also provides teachers with a dashboard displaying a various data on student assignments to enable the teacher to identify students who need additional support. The platform is characterized by following. One, the ability to speed up the learning process and improve student appetite for learning by personalizing instructions and creating learning pathway for each student. Next, or two, reducing the burden of teachers by reducing the time needed to analyze student performance and monitor grades, as well as finding educational resources. The platform provides thousands of high-quality resources for different educational models, such as videos, self-learning questions, and others. Not this last, next, enhance teacher. This platform or this application enhance teaching by identifying individual or class learning gap and provide timely actionable recommendation and insight. I see it's also more useful application with applying AI in education. It's very important to make learning is very useful, interactive, and can increase or solve the gap learning which a student has. The next application is Thinkster. Thinkster, it is a math learning software. This is for math subject. Math learning software run by expert and powered by artificial intelligence to deliver customized tutorial and tests. This program analyzes the educational pattern of each student by analyzing his answer and methods and identifying his strengths and weaknesses to develop educational plan to improve his level and answer his inquiries according to his personal capabilities to the program aims. The program aims to, one, developing the student logical ability by providing a specialized human assistant when encountered some difficulties and providing him with immediate feedback. It is a very important point to learn for students. Next point or next aim for this program is providing a daily report and insights to parents about their children. This is an important point for parents also. Performance and progress through the parents' mobile application. All parents, I think all parents need this application to know their children performance. I see all applications very important. The next application or AI application in education, Dragon, natural speaking. Dragon is for speaking. It is a program on desktop computer or as a cloud server that uses artificial intelligence to recognize speech and convert it into text. We use it to learn a different language with it. And also with the aim of helping both students and teachers to express faster and easier without the need to write and spell. So the program, you can give instructions to computer, write text, search on the internet, or send email in an easy way. So the program can also be used by students with special needs. This is important. Also, we can use AI for special needs students and help them to get the best possible opportunity. Among the most important features of the program are the following. The features of this program is the ability to convert speech into text and read it again to ensure its correctness and modify it. The program is modify or auto-modify the text. Next aim or next feature for this program, full access and control of the program via verbal command to navigate through documents, updates, web pages, search, and perform simple calculation. The third feature, enabling teacher to evaluate assignment, research papers, and test via voice command. We see this application is very important for students and especially for special needs students. Next application for AI, Socratic or Socrates. An application based on artificial intelligence to help students to solve and understand homework by analyzing the student capture image of the question and answering them by providing all possible solutions and the best abbreviate source of video, delayed or details explanation and other to explain the concepts related to the question. The application aim is to enhance the students and learning of the most important subjects such as algebra, geometry, trigonometry, biology or biochemistry, physics, history, and literature. It is very important for a student to answer the questions and to self-learning. GradScope, it's a platform for evaluating assignment and tests. It's very useful for teachers, whether digital or that can be digitalized by scanning. The platform relies on artificial intelligence to read handwritten text in English only, such as mathematical symbols from fraction, integration sign, and others, as well as classifying similar answers into groups to enable teachers to evaluate them once. Among the most important features of the platform, the feature one is to ease and flexibility of evaluation. It is very easy in evaluation, enabling the teacher to review students' performance in exam and provide insights about them. The next feature for this application, the ability to extract students' assignments and data, also send the feedback and the assisted assignment in the real time. Also, the ability to classify answers into groups and modify them automatically. Also, I see that is all teachers need and lecturers need this platform or need this program. The next application, Stepwise Virtual Tutor. Stepwise is a platform that it's a mobile application and a platform that simulates the teacher using artificial intelligence with the aim of supporting students and enabling them to master science, technology, engineering, and mathematical skills, or what is known as STEM, science, technology, engineering, and maths. It also helps teachers understand the challenge students face with while studying. Among the most important features of the platform have important features like the ability to use the platform on desktop computer and the smart device. It means the student can use this platform as a desktop computer or as the smart or with mobile phone. The next feature, providing customized small-scale tutorials backed by expert system. Evaluate each step to solve a problem or issue, which helps students improve their skills and motivate them to succeed. The last feature for this program or application provide teachers with insights into each student's learning habits and challenges. Another application for AI implementation in education is iTalk to Learn. I see that is from its name, you know what is it's used. This application is an open source smart platform. It is a very, very amazing. For teaching is mathematics and is a European collaborative project developed for a period of 3 years from 2012 to 2050. This platform aims to enable teachers to provide appropriate lesson for each student and also integrate range of technologies such as a machine learning and the natural language processing, as well as educational physiology, exploratory mathematical teaching, and methods and activities. So this platform or this program have a lot of features or important features like providing customized lesson based on student historical performance, level of knowledge in mathematics and behavior pattern. First, the platform make a test for a student to know his level of knowledge and mathematics, and then provide customized lessons, or teacher can customize the lesson based on student performance. The next feature for this program, the ability to recognize the student's speech and respond to it during the lesson. So we can know, or we can find the special needs students. iTalk. The last feature for this platform provide an exploratory learning environment that offers a range of structured learning tasks. The next application or AI application is Class Dojo. I know it is some of you know it. Class Dojo application is based on the principle of gamification. Gamification is a very way to convert normal learning to funny learning. This is a platform used to create application or gamification or education games with artificial intelligence. Another platform is Barkin or Brainly. Brainly, this application was based on artificial intelligence technique, is a social network for classroom questions aimed to help the students collaborate to come up with correct answer on their own or under the guidance of expert 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. The app allows parents to create their own account to track their children's educational progress and help them to find the right answer. It also offers a number of features. It means that Brainly is application to apply e-collaborative learning collaborative learning to help the students collaborate to each other, and also parent to collaborate with teaching. It is a very innovative idea to apply this application. The feature of this application is to get an automatic answer to the question asked, then verify them using a machine learning algorithm. Filter spam using machine learning algorithm. Read homework questions and identify them for image using computer vision techniques, and also recognize text in a number language which exceeds 35 language. It is very important. We use is multi-languages using a Google Vision AI technique. Next application, content technologies. Content technologies CTI. This application provides brief summarize of book. And this is very important for researcher, because researcher want to brief summarize of books and supplies using artificial intelligence technique. Aiming of this education using the application use artificial intelligence and the deep learning algorithm to create appropriate educational content based on data entered by teacher. It means that teacher data or enter the data such as the description of curriculum and its section, and also application provide customized content to specific student or group of students like special need student. In addition, it provide a CRAM 1.1.101 tool which use artificial intelligence technique turn any textbooks into smart study guide with summarize, flashcard, and assessment test. I see there's a lot of application for applying AI in education, or I show for you, or I recommended for you some of them, but there is a more and more AI application like Matific, Konig Virtual Learning Assist, Math IAU, and Duolingo, it's an education game. Also, Museu, Alta, Photomath. This also another AI applications for education. This is a lot of application. I hope you use it, you try to use it. It's a very, very useful to use. It's a very, very easy to use. It's important. We can use it to change normal learning to interactive and fun learning, and also apply artificial intelligence in education. It convert normal learning to self-learning and to innovate students, or to help students to be innovative. Artificial intelligence, how we can design this application? There is a tools help us or help IT engineering or computer science engineering to create this application. There is a lot of tools with artificial intelligence. We can create it like this application and another application. Some of these tools like IBM Weston, Azure, or Azure AI. Azure AI is Microsoft platform. TensorFlow or TensorFlow, Vertex AI, Oregon, Orange, Ascanda, and Cursor. Natural language toolkit like NLTK. Like this one is a lot of application. Also, another one or another tools or AI tools, I recommended to use it for create AI application. Responsible AI toolbox from Microsoft, LabVIEW, and Gazebo, OpenCV, What If tool, also combination, AI explainability, a system ethics, Arduino development environment, Python, Kentimi, and SSA, SAS, Enterprise Minor, Weka, and machine learning for kids. This program we can learn for kids, and kids can apply or create their own application with AI. I see that is important for all teachers, for students, and for researchers to this application, to use this application, and also to create their own application. I will share for you the 10 applications for artificial intelligence, or the top 10 or so from this. I show for you a lot of application. Can
Do
you
you all hear about how AI can help in an AI acting as co-pilot?
And also, conclusion, artificial intelligence has been able to influence a number of different areas and led to improved of its appreciation and performance at the lowest cost. And one of these important areas is the educational field. AI promised him that it would improve the quality of teaching, increase the effectiveness of teaching, and eases the administrative burden for teachers. Accordingly, this paper discussed the definitions of artificial intelligence and its most important subfields, and clarified the concept of artificial intelligence in education, the importance and the area in which this technology can be employed in educational sector. The paper outline a set of applied practices for the use of artificial intelligence in education in each of the member states and some countries, as well as most important intelligence from the use of artificial intelligence in education. I'm so happy to be with you today. I hope my paper or my presentation be useful for you. I let you to try this application and to write practical or to implementation in this application. Thank you again. Thank you a lot.
Thank you, Dr. Taman. That was actually very informative. And thank you for acquainting us with the various principles of artificial intelligence which are used in the sector of education.